Hey everyone, I'm your host, Death, and today's episode, Twitter. What is it? What do you think of it? How to get followers? Or not? Or tricks, tips, I don't know. I'll play it as I go. First things first, open a freaking Twitter account. Second thing, log in. Alright, so here's my page. The Real Death. I have 12,000 followers. 12,423 followers to be exact. Not bad. And I am following 11,218. Not bad. Tweets 40,654. Damn, I talk a lot on here. Wow, I do. Oh, so anyway, how to get more followers. I'll give you some tips and tricks. Let me go and find some of my followers. Actually, no, scratch that. We'll go to notifications. Because there's more people I talk to. Alright. We'll pick one of these people at random. Let's see. Oh. Who to pick? Well, let's see. Come on. Need to find more people. That was a long conversation I had with her. Come on. Alright, here. Oh, these are all more people who followed me. I gained... Wow. 19 people followed me as of 3 hours ago. Not bad. Fuck this. Funny. Here we go. Click on cat. So, this is what I did. Gain some followers. Click on their followers. And you start just following everyone they follow. Long and tedious process, but it works. And you wait about a week, and then you turn around and unfollow people who didn't follow you back. And that's all you had to do. At least that's what I did in the beginning. And it worked out. But here's the kicker though. You have to interact. Humans like interaction. Otherwise, they get bored and they move on from you. They think you're a bot. The hell, come on, Peter. I said back button. So, you can see I post a lot and get a lot of likes. This right here got 37 likes in the last 21 minutes. And what did I post? 85 likes. Because I interact with people. I post stuff all the time. And people around like it. And I interact with them. Actually, let me pull that back up. Look at some of the conversations. See? Right here. I turn around, I interact. May not a whole lot of words, but I do. And that's what people like. They like the interaction. Oh, and here's another little tip and trick. This website right here, Tidsy, I think I said that right, Tizzy, whatever. So you go over in here. This website right here gives auto DMs, which makes it more fun. Oops. So you log into here, set up an account, log in, and you can send auto DMs to people. So everyone who follows me now gets a direct message from me, but lets them know about my YouTube channel too. So it also helps gaining more YouTube channel or more YouTube subs this way. And on top of that, it helps me know if people are real or not too, because with the auto DM, people around will interact with me there too. And I'm not going to show you my auto DM, or, well, my DMs, because I got way too many. And that's being personal. I don't plan on being personal with you all. So that's basically the tricks. It's not a whole lot. People think, oh, there has to be some big tricks just to get more followers. No, it's actually really simple. All you need to do is just follow people. They'll follow you back. And you interact with them. That's it. Plain and simple. Come on, people. Alright, it's been fun. Hope you enjoyed it. If not, I don't care. Either way. Till next time.